Okay, Friday's highlights from the GreatStockPicks.com live trading chat room. I'd like to say we didn't put out a video yesterday because I was too busy and I had a bunch of stuff going on, but that's actually not the case. The reason I didn't have a highlight video yesterday was because it was one of those rare days where just nothing worked. Market just kept grinding lower, and it was just one of those days. I couldn't get anything to work. So I had nothing resembling a highlight. Much better day today. I'll start with Forest Oil, FST. It's gotten killed here and then based for a few days. I love the fact that it put in this red candle. It looked like it was rolling back over to new lows, but then today a nice surprise gap up. Using one method we teach, I could have had this thing down here and I just wasn't paying attention, but I'd love to tell you my order was down there, but my actual call was FST 2424. Basically, over this little base right here. So right about there. Worst case stop below that base. Took a while to work, but went all the way to 2506 for a very nice move. I mean, that's a 82-cent move in our favor on a 15-cent risk. LNG, I like the gap up. This thing had my attention all day, and it just kept grinding lower, but really kind of moving sideways. And I called FST at 931, right there. And after we grabbed it, it shot pretty quickly to 980 over the next 45 minutes or so, and ultimately made it to 10. And the beauty of LNG, my stop 13 cents below, never even looked back at it. Iron Mountain, one of our classic potential final push down plays. You've seen these in a lot of our videos. Using a method I teach there, my call was 34.29. So not too bad. They're probably right about there if I had to guess on that green candle. And the worst case stop, very nice, 8 cents below. You can see it never really looked back at it. As a matter of fact, within I think 5 or 6 minutes, I already went to a break-even stop because I didn't want to give any of the morning gains back. Still a little skittish from yesterday, and it never did come back to my break-even 5 or 6 minutes. I love those, right? 34.29, it went to 34.68. Not a huge move, but also not a bad move. What is that? Almost 39 cents a share on 8 cents risk. So nice way to finish the day and finish the week. And that's it. We'll send out a free pick next week. I didn't get around to it this week. My apologies. Talk to you later. Have a good weekend.